Let's take a look at the waitlist features. The waitlists give you the ability to keep track of patients within your practice. So you can have waitlists for consultations, waitlists for new NHS patients, orthodontic waitlists, extraction waitlists. We're going to jump on now and have a look at how to configure your waitlists, how to add patients to your waitlists, and how to report on the patients on the waitlist. The first thing we're going to look at is how to configure the waitlists. And it's really simple. We go settings, appointment setup, waitlist setup. Here we can see a list of all our current waitlists. The star to the right indicates which waitlist is your default for where cancellation appointments will be put. If we want to add a new waitlist, we go add, and we're going to say Moz patients. Drop it down, give it a colour, and our target for this is 31 days. If we want to add a patient to that waitlist, we go to the planned appointments, and if you want more information on planned appointments, see our video. Add planned appointment, choose the appointment type, and choose which waitlist we want to put the patient on. So we're going to put this patient on private consultations and hit save. So that patient is now in the waitlist. To look at our waitlists, from the diary, we go to waiting lists. We choose the waiting list we're interested in. So we're on private consultations. From the waitlist screen, we've got a few actions. So on each patient, we can use the find a slot to find all availability to book that patient. We can jump to the patient's record. We can create a phone record. So if I press this, it'll open the patient's, open a note for the patient with their home and mobile number. We can call the patient and just add some notes in here. If we want to edit the appointment type, we can edit and change the appointment type. And if we want to cancel the planned appointments and delete them from the waiting list, we press delete. So what we're going to do is book this patient. So I'm pressing find a slot, and I'm going to book this patient with Peter Wilson on the 15th. So I double click, and then I can double click again, and it will book Steve Smith. The other way to book from the wait list is to drag and drop. So here we've got a couple of patients in the short notice list, and we can drag and drop them into the diary. If a patient cancels an appointment, they'll be added back onto the wait list. So if we right click, cancel, patient cancelled, and it's going to return it back to the wait list for private consultations. If you want to change that, you can. If you want to reset the date when they should be seen, we can add it here. For reporting, you've got a couple of options. So from the waitlist screen, you can press show more and print current waitlist, which will give you the list of the waitlist you're currently looking at with the average wait information. The other way to get this is from the reporting menu. So reports, appointments, waitlist report. And this is showing us all the appointments for all the waitlists along with average waits on each one. Thanks for checking out our video on waitlists. If you want any more information on the planned appointments features seen in the video, please check out our website.